Correlation with Excel. I'm going to show you the easy, fast way. These are rows. You could probably do it in a row, but I personally like columns. So you're going to highlight, right-click, copy. Going to pick a couple of new cells to the right. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to transpose paste. See that? So it turned rows into columns. And now we're ready to go. So the first way is, I'm going to get rid of all that stuff. First way is pick a cell, any cell, and I make you guys type it out so you know what it is. Correlation. And it's just an identifier. It doesn't really do anything. But I pick that cell. That's where I'm going to put the correlation. I'm going to go to the function bar, click the little f of x, make sure I'm in statistical, and I'm going to scroll down to correlation. That's correl. And array is a column, right? Just data in this version. Make sure your cursor's in array 2. Click and drag. So you got your data set up. And there's your correlation. Let me make it bigger for you. And it's pretty dang big. It's 0.98. So in other words, the more water a plant gets, the higher it gets. Okay, that's a really, really strong correlation. But that's the easiest way to find a correlation between two continuous variables in Excel. MGZ, out.